In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an extended error has occurred in Windows 11. This error usually appears when you're trying to sign in with a Microsoft account, join a device to a domain, or change some network or account-related settings. It can be frustrating because Windows doesn't clearly explain what went wrong. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a series of practical checks and fixes you can do on your own to get things working again. First, start with a simple restart of your computer and your router or modem. Even though it sounds basic, a reboot refreshes your network connection and clears temporary glitches that often trigger this kind of error. After restarting, try the action again and see if the error still appears. Next, make sure your date, time, and region settings are correct. In Windows 11, open Settings, then go to Time and Language, and then Date and Time. Turn on the options to set time and time zone automatically if they aren't already enabled. Also check the region section to confirm the correct country or region is selected. Incorrect time or region can break secure connections to Microsoft's servers and cause extended error messages. Now, verify that your internet connection is stable. Open a browser and visit a few websites to confirm they load smoothly. If you're on a public or workplace network, there might be restrictions in place. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using a wired connection if possible. If you use a VPN or proxy, temporarily disable it and test again, because those can interfere with sign-in and domain operations. After that, run Windows built-in troubleshooters. Go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, and open other troubleshooters. Run the troubleshooters for internet connections and network adapter, and let Windows scan and automatically fix common issues. If the error appears when signing in with a Microsoft account, open Settings and go to Accounts. Sign out of your Microsoft account if you're partially signed in, then sign back in carefully with the correct credentials. Make sure you enter your full email address and password, and complete any two-step verification if it's enabled on your account. For domain-related actions, confirm that your device name and domain information are correct, and that you have the proper permissions from your network administrator. An incorrect domain, outdated credentials, or blocked network ports can all lead to this message. Finally, install any pending Windows updates. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and check for updates. Install everything important, restart your PC, and try again. Follow these steps patiently, testing after each one, and in most cases, the "an extended error has occurred" message in Windows 11 should be resolved.